What's up, guys? Ilya Belov here. I've made over $900,000 on Amazon, over $1.4 million on eBay, but this video is going to be specifically about a new way to find products in 2018. You know, a lot of these guys on YouTube talk about how they make this money, but yet all they do is they push, product research softwares on you guys, and some of these product research softwares are extremely important. Just like Jungle Scout is. I use the Jungle Scout web app and I use the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, and I use it along with a few other programs, but this video is going to be specifically about a free way you can find products, and of course you can use this product research technique with Jungle Scout in order to confirm your beliefs about finding a good product. Now, if you are watching this, maybe you haven't even used Amazon FBA before, or even worked with Amazon FBA or eBay, or maybe you already use Amazon FBA and you just want to go ahead and find out a new way to find products. Now, as you guys know, real quick, let me show you guys my sales. Today, $2,100 in sales, actually broke $100,000 for the month today, which is pretty crazy, guys. You guys can see here, $457,000 on that one. Let me go ahead and reload it. Yeah, $457,000 on that account. You guys can see $515 on that account, $124,000 on that account, and $301,000 on that account. Now, these two last accounts are newer and are growing at a much more exponential rate than the other two, but I'm going to go ahead and we're going to jump into some of these products. Now, of course, you guys know Ilya Belov always has a lot of tabs open. I'm always looking at a lot of different products, checking a lot of different aspects and, new stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can find some of these products on your own just to sell, and you can go ahead and confirm those beliefs by using Jungle Scout. Now, real quick, this is the part of the video you're going to really need to pay attention to, okay? Very simple, okay? Now, you can start from the Amazon page itself, from Amazon.com, or you can go ahead and niche down to a specific category. What I like to do is go to the categories I already sell in, or go ahead and go into other categories I'm interested in selling in. It's a lot of fun to go into categories that you're already ungated in and go ahead and find more products in that category. But what you're going to do is, pay attention, guys. Ready? Very tough. See that? It's a negative sign right there. So the way Amazon works is it used to be a parenthesis sign, I believe, and you go ahead and you put the negative sign instead, and for HTML code or the Amazon algorithm, all this means is that you are searching everything except for this term. Now you can go ahead and put in anything. So this is going to be searching for anything that does not have this term. Now you can go ahead and all day sit on Amazon, try to search and find products that sell, and it's pretty difficult, guys. Now, of course, some of the best products that I've ever found were products that I actually ordered, or, once you get into that Amazon state of mind, guys, you will walk around your house, you will go around to your friend's house, you will go around to your business. For me, at least, I sell a lot of topical products since I do own a hair salon with my girlfriend, and a lot of the products I sell, I actually, my girlfriend would buy them for our business, and I'd go ahead and see them, and I'd see that there's such low competition, niche products that sell, $10, $20, $30,000 a month. But you guys can see here, so in health and household, we're searching for everything that does not have this term, guys. Now we go ahead and see, a lot of these products are pretty competitive and are not products that I would like to sell off the bat, but let's go ahead and run the Jungle Scout for them just to get a general idea and see if we can start getting that Amazon train of thought moving. Now, you guys say that I talk a lot about Amazon, and the thing about Amazon is that most of these products that do sell on Amazon will sell on eBay as well. So a lot of these, I'll be even talking about how you can use eBay search techniques to find products that sell on Amazon, but that's going to be for a different video. So if you're interested in hearing about that, go ahead and click subscribe and like and share this video for more content, guys. But we can see here crazy amounts of sales, but crazy amounts of competition, guys. And this is not something, I don't even see a single product on this page that I would be interested in. But what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to X out of this, and we're going to go ahead and niche down even more specific. So let's go ahead and let's press on, always a fun category to do, sexual wellness. So let's go ahead and check out some of the sales here. You can see one of my competitors here, Shibari. But we're going to keep on going. We can see that some of these are slowly starting to get less competitive, guys. That's what we are looking into. So let's go ahead and press that Jungle Scout. I can see I have too many tabs open and it's going a little bit crazy. But let's go ahead and press that Jungle Scout one more time. Perfect. Okay, guys. Real quick, I'm going to show you guys literally how in about 5 minutes I found a product that probably sells for $20,000 a month with barely any competition. Now, No one else on YouTube tells you how to do this, except, honestly, I think for me. But let's go ahead and let this load up real quick, and we'll see. Okay, that monthly revenue cannot be shown, but I believe this one here for $139,000, you can see that G-Spot Rabbit waterproof massager is going to be, looks like, yeah, around $14,000 a month. Let's let that load up. And the best way of finding products, in my opinion here, is that you go ahead and you find a product, guys. See, so this product looks pretty interesting. And if we keep on going down, you can see some other products are more interesting. But let's go ahead and type in the Rabbit waterproof, rechargeable, whatever. Okay, let's go ahead and hit the get out of sexual wellness. Let's go to all departments. And let's just see what that keyword Rabbit gives us, guys. And let's see what that keyword Rabbit massager gives us. One of my favorite keywords. But you guys can see here, kind of just, you fall into it. Now, go ahead, don't really, I push a lot of sexual wellness products because I sell a lot of sexual wellness products, but you guys can see here, we go ahead and try to get some of the sales for this. Let that load up. $1,000 in revenue off 0 reviews, $2,100 in revenue off 17 reviews, and then there we go. A vibrator for women, multifunctional, etc., etc., etc. $34.99 with $32,000 in sales and 1 review. You see here, pet grooming tools. We can go into that. Go ahead and check into that. The little gentle de-shedder brush gloves. Good product, but in my opinion, a little bit too competitive. But you guys can see here, let's check this out right here. The heated rotating gyrating thruster. Okay, so a lot of vibrators, but you guys can see here, 0 reviews on a lot of them, 1 review on some of them, $32,000 in sales. I like this, the back one for relaxating muscles. Okay, $2,600 in sales a month, 27 reviews, $1,600, $7,433 on this one here, a more regular massager look, 347 reviews. You guys can see here, found a product very simply just by going through, these categories. But let's go ahead and try this method one more time. See if we can find 2 great selling products for you guys. Literally that quick. But again, use this in, just like I use it. Use this product method, finding technique in conjunction with softwares such as Jungle Scout. Link in the description for Jungle Scout is below if you don't have it. It's honestly the #1 tool that I use for finding products on Amazon. Kind of just lets you know. And of course, a free alternative to this button right here, Unicorn Smasher. I have a video on Jungle Scout versus Unicorn Smasher, so make sure to go check those out as well. But let's go ahead and let's try it in automotive parts and accessories. That's also a very interesting category. And let's let that load up. So we can see in automotive, for some reason there's USB cables. People are all over the place. And let's keep on going. Let's see if we can find something more interesting. Okay. Okay, so someone's coming on here with the iPhone charger, 5-pack for 6 feet, 194 reviews. That is pretty uncompetitive, but again, Amazon and all these little cables are usually a problem to go hand in hand together. So let's go ahead and let's check out something like, you guys can see here, you spend 20, 30 minutes doing this, and you may find one product that's a hot seller. Let's go ahead and niche down even further to interior accessories. I like that. And then let's try to niche down even further into, well, it sounds like a floor mats, cargo liners too big, door entry guards. How about cup holders? Let's try that out. Okay. So that's an interesting product. Not super competitive, but again, not something I would do. But let's go ahead and just check the sales on it. Why not? So adjustable cup holders, that cup holders that get bigger, or cup holders that hold 32-ounce bottles and 40-ounce bottles. Now, this is something I wouldn't start out with, but if you already know what you're doing on Amazon, get it for the right price, around $1, $2, $3, $4 even. This is honestly, it's a decent product, and you guys can see here. Okay, perfect. Now we can niche down even further, guys, right here. So LED cup holder lights. Have you ever heard of that? No, neither have I. But look, 47 reviews, $5,900 in sales per month. There you go. That is a product that I would go immediately on to Alibaba, or if for me at least, I would ask my scout to go find me a factory for the best priced product I can find, along with using an Alibaba. So let's go ahead and search that up. LED cup holders. I really actually like that product. It's very small, looks like, LED cup holder. Look at that. Check that out real quick. So the only product, LED cup holders, we have this one here, we have this one here, and we have this one here. And then we have this one here, changing colors. Let's go ahead and run the Jungle Scout on that. Man, it makes me not even want to upload this video, you know, find really, really good product like that quick. That's crazy, guys. All right, so Carmoni, $16.99, $5,000, $5,437. Nice Shop, $15.99 as well, $5,900. Bearfire, $19.99, $3,500 in sales, and you guys can see there's a lot of different ways to niche down with that. You can go ahead and put Chevrolet in there, put BMW down in there, put Lamborghini down in there. I mean, most people aren't going to be buying LED car cup holders for their Lamborghinis, but a lot of people will be buying them for Chevrolets, for their Fords, for their Volkswagens, for their whatever you want, even BMW. So this one changes colors. Guys, 0 reviews, $2,300 in sales per month. There you go. Hot selling product brought to you by Ilya Belov. Use this product method, you know, to further your sales. And once again, if you're interested in mentorship, there's plenty of other ways to find products. And, you know, go ahead and check out the link below for one-on-one mentorship, how all of my students are making from $2,000 to $45,000 a month. But again, if this video was helpful for you in any way, like, comment, and make sure to share and subscribe for more content. I come out with a lot of videos just like this. And again, check out my channel for some more information. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.